Thank you for coming in and seeing how we're going to get this face. Disclaimer, I do not know what happened to the very beginning of this video or the very end of this video. So, I appreciate you clicking in and to watch me put this face together. Usually I start off with the face, but because she wanted a black smoky eye look, I decided to do the eyes first, so I didn't have to worry about a lot of fallout on her face. And due to the fallout, I had to go back and wipe the black, because if there's any black left on the face, it will smear and just completely ruin the entire look. Here I'm applying her MAC foundation. If I could figure out how to buy the MAC foundation wholesale, I would buy every color, because as I get more comfortable doing other people's face, I do her face all the time. But as I get more comfortable doing people's face, I would love my products to be the MAC foundation. And here I'm using the E.L.F concealer in color olive, deep olive. When it comes to blending, I like to blend the edges. I do not like harsh lines or obvious lines from the lighter concealer to the regular skin foundation. So I try my hardest to blend in those edges to get a seamless look. As you can see, when I'm trying to blend out those edges, I do go back and forth between like a sponge and a brush, just to make sure it blends in well. And that's just something that I've learned over the years, that going back and forth between those helps blend out the edges. Here I am setting her under eye, well, all the areas that would place concealer. I am going in, I'm setting, and you can see that I'm going back with it to make sure that the creases are smooth before I set it with the powder, because you don't want to set a crease. Once I set all those areas that had concealer, I go through with my brush just to help dust off the powder as I continue to work on those edges, even with once I set it with the powder, because you want everything to come together smoothly at the end. Once I have the powder from the concealers the way I feel comfortable, I get my powder foundation and just go through and set the other areas of her face. And to try to help avoid her creasing as the night goes through, I went through and applied some more powder in her areas that are highly expected to crease. Here I'm bronzing, contouring, whatever you want to call it, with L'Oreal bronzer in Deep, I believe it is. I'll try my best to put everything in the description. This is, well, almost all these steps are my favorite part, but I really like adding bronzer because it adds depth to the face and just really brings everything together. The highlighter is an old highlighter set that I got from Target back in the day, but I'll be sure to add that one in my description. It's an oldie but goodie, Old Faithful. Here I'm dusting away that little bit of extra powder that I put on to help with the creasing. I went through and touched up all the a few areas before I applied the setting spray, and this part she really does not like. Eyebrows really bring a look together. I like to use the L.A.Colors Eyebrow Pencil. I have tried many different eyebrow pencils, but this one is my favorite, hands down. I get it from the Dollar General. They even have it at Dollar Tree. The L.A.Colors Eyebrow Pencils come in a pack of 2 with also with a pencil sharpener. Whenever you think you have blended those edges, blend them some more. I'm adding L'Oreal Paris Eyelash Primer to her bottom lashes. Here I'm lining her lips with a ColourPop, I believe it's ColourPop Shayla Collaboration Lip Liner Pencil. I added a nude lip gloss, and I don't even remember which one this is, but that's what I did. Sorry. I don't know what happened to the very end of this video, but this is the final look. And this is her at 3 o'clock in the morning. That's how the look held up. Thank you for watching.